When you're shopping for a weighted blanket, it's important to consider some quality and design elements. Most other weighted blanket companies make their blankets like this, where the weight is sewn right into the cover. At Sera Blanket, we wanted to make a completely customizable blanket. So we've designed a duvet cover with a zipper down the one end, Velcro down the other, and then there are channels, actually 14 channels sewn into your cover. And the weight is not sewn into the cover, but it's sewn into these individual strips. We've then designed a tool where you will pull the weighted strip into the channel, and we make these weighted strips in different increments. So a Sera weighted blanket can grow from 7 pounds to 28 pounds. You don't have to fit into a 10 pound, 15 pound, 20 pound widget like the other company might need you to do. With us, if you need a 13 pound blanket, we can do that. We can create you a 13 pound blanket. The other great thing about our Sera blankets is the quality of the materials, which is something you really need to consider. Our covers are reversible, and they are made on the one side with a beautiful linen fabric and the other side a 100% Kona cotton. Linen and cotton are natural wicking fibers, and so what that means is they will repel any moisture and heat when you're sleeping. When you're sleeping, you will sleep the best if you can keep your body temperature low and if your room is cooler. So we wanted to create a blanket that added weight but not warmth. A lot of the other weighted blankets are made in this very heavy, minky material, which adds a lot of warmth. The quality of the workmanship is also something to consider. Each Sera blanket is individually sewn right here in the USA by expert seamstresses, not mass-produced overseas by machine. And back to the materials, our weighted strips are filled with the highest quality PBA-free poly pellets. And some other blanket companies are using an inferior pellet that actually has been off-gassing and can release toxins into the air, which is very unhealthy. And lastly, the thing to consider is laundering your weighted blanket. With a Sera blanket, when you need to launder the cover, all you do is pull out all the strips and wash the cover like you would a set of sheets. Each individual strip, if it becomes soiled, can be washed and dried in your home laundry machines. Where a lot of the other companies, you would need to take it to a commercial dry cleaner to have it cleaned. So when you're making that weighted blanket decision, I hope you'll consider the design and quality elements of a Sera weighted blanket. Sera Blanket, peace, calm, sleep.